Hey guys, Crude Scale here. This is the loadout I will be using for this entire video. I hopped on Discord and I asked Pocket something. I can't remember the name, I feel bad now. What category of guns from Call of Duty should I use? I had no idea what Call of Duty was. Then I say shotgun, SMG, etc. So shotgun is what they went with. I can use the secondary, but that's only if I'm in a tight spot. I can use the, what's it called? The specialty whenever it's ready, because, that's specialty. That's a bonus type of thing. What the heck? Oh, yeah, because that's Battle Royale. Duh. We're gonna do the new map. Since, from my knowledge, just got released today. Okay, where is it? Featured Pine, there we go. Okay. All I remember is that the Discord that I was in at the time was the Jacksepticeye one. It was made from, you could get a link from the Reddit. Don't judge me for being a default skin. It's the new welcome back soldier thing. This is like the gulag for this season. Oh, I have to leave. No, I'm sorry. It's a challenge video. I feel horrible. Guess I'll do that on my own time. I could do hardcore, kind of like Black Ops 4. I feel so bad now. No. I don't think I recorded all last season. I got grounded, so couldn't record. Can't control that. I got to the point where I got the gun for that season. That was about it. I did get Richtofen though, so I'm happy. Richtofen! The Nuggets game is on right now, so go Nuggets. So, I tried to get Warzone the other day, because, Warzone's pretty sweet. But you need Modern Warfare for it. I didn't believe my friend, but, guess he knew what he was talking about. What just killed me? What the heck? That was a real late reaction, but okay. Wi-Fi's not the best, I guess. Man, why a sniper map on my shotgun challenge? Ooh! Get oofed. Get oofed. Get oofed. I have sleight of hand and quick and fast mag. Okay, I'm just gonna use the pistol to take that. Oh my god. Yeah, typically I just change my DL class, but can't do that. Shotguns only. If it was snipers only, that'd be much easier. Ah! See, they're using snipers. This is ruining my reputation. Oh, equalizers. Those are freaking dope. I'm probably not going to get them this season. So I just spend like 20 bucks on some CP points or COD points. And then kind of just buy tiers up to it. You son of a... I'm using the pistol on it. I'm allowed to. I can only use the pistol in desperate times. Pretty sure stealth chopper counts. Yeah, that's right, run away. They have the freaking Goliath anyways. What? What a weird final kill cam. Oh. Quick scope. Respect. That team that game was just trash, and it was a sniper map, and I was stuck using shotguns because of challenges. Should have just done Battle Royale. Then done shotguns only. I guess I'll do that like next video or something. I don't know. I'll go back in the group and do Battle Royale instead of multiplayer. Yeah, I know I did bad, okay? You have to shove my face in it. I'm using the Honey Badger backpack and the Honey Badger concussions. If only I'd waited for the Grinch thing to pop up. Because, you know, Cursed Mask be like from the Mask movie. I would talk, but you would not be able to hear. It's disabled anyway. Oh, no, there it is. I'll see if he says anything real quick. If I die. That's a big old if. Y'all know me, I'm good at this game. I don't even think he knows his mic is on. He would have said something by now. That's friendly. You don't want to be that guy who shoots at teammates. Oh no, this is extended mag, not fast mag. It's sleight of hand that makes me reload faster. Duh. Just die, please. Thank you. You have to do the same. Oh, never mind. My nose itched. Target in sight. Where he at? He up here, isn't he? Over here? Yeah, no, that's a friendly. I don't know where the bad guy went. I'm gonna throw my concussion. Oh, flashbang. Get him. Get him. Oh, I got myself. God dang it, I do it every time. I got a teammate. Crap. My job to protect him. Alright, he's good. I'm gonna get my care package. The first score streak is typically reserved for the one that's introduced that season. I don't have the one for this season yet. RCXD. Oh, Shocker C, not RCXD. It's kind of funny how the XD at the end of the first RC. Where the hell did it go? Or heck. You know what's interesting about the Shocker season in this game? You have to spam a button. In Black Ops 4, I believe that was the first game that Shocker C was in. Cool, Annihilator ready. You just... What was it? You would have to freaking... What's it called? Spam a button. Or you would have to press X and yank it out before it was too late. Or just shoot the person who was following it. Whichever one worked. Oh, I love the Annihilator! I don't even get the dude speaking English. Hey, I got the Honey Badger spray. Pretty dope. The Annihilators, I'm not that good with it in Black Ops 4, but it's good and mobile. I like it. Second place? Nah, I should be on top. My skin's better. Guess I'll do one more match. Maybe two, I don't know. Last game was really bad and short. Ooh, attachments. Ooh, new perk. Speed up kill. Speed up after kill. I like sleight of hand reload faster, you know? No, wrong one. Claim that. See what little it bumps me up. Let's go. Music's pretty good for the season. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Scout 2s. 1, 2. 2 Special Ops 5. 1 Outrider. I don't know his name. And 1 Special Ops 1. Which the Special Ops actually looks like one of the bad guys in Black Ops 2 campaign. One of the mercenaries, I think. I don't know. All those people, I think. I don't know. I thought they were Special Ops. I thought they were Scouts. Guess I was wrong. Can't always be right. Get out of here. Oh. They're being shot at from behind, I think. No? My buddy got him. I own one. Good old go system. What is this? Hit him! No, whatever. Why is that being so inaccurate? Let's throw a flashbang over here. Nope, I didn't go into it. Okay. I just like feeling cool getting pistol kills. I just wonder how much tea the dude who plays after the guys who do the voicing for Call of Duty characters, how much tea they must drink after recording sessions. I never do that, but okay. Do my care package, I guess. No. Cool. Country gun. How odd. I was about to put down my other one right now. That's a good spot. Heavy foot traffic. That's where you always want to put them. See? 3 kills. Look at that. Give this video a like if you think I should try and qualify for the championship next year. I guess. Game's not even halfway. I should record one of my Black Ops 4 sessions. You would think I'm a different person, how bad I am at that game. Dang. Oh, no, come here. Come here, you little. Ah. Funny enough, I got like 2 kills in Black Ops 4 doing this. Not with a shotgun though. It was like, I think the con date. Boop. Oh, nope. Boop. Nope. Okay. Boop. There it is. Shotguns are just not fair. I didn't say it. Oh, what was he using? Dragon camo, nice. Respect. Come on, get someone, get someone, get someone, get someone. Yeah, I have care package, so I don't really spend my money on for my credits on that stuff. I only really do it on classes for Battle Royale or specialist. Wow, if I get it 2 times in one game, that would be incredible. Yeah, I know M18's live. Shout out to them. They used to do Call of Duty Mobile. They're just waiting for I think they said next season or something. I don't know. I'll ask them in their stream. I'll watch it after I start uploading this to YouTube. Got him. Oh, yeah, I saw you. I'm not. No! I was gonna say, I'm not stupid. You freaking idiot. Oh my god, that GCast, or that HG40 looks amazing. I want it. I wanted to get the Flytrap one, but that's Battle Royale reward, and I'm more of a multiplayer guy. Yeah, wait, who's winning the basketball game? What the heck? I don't care about the Dodgers game. I do. I like the Dodgers. I've been to their stadium before. It was pretty sweet. But I want to know who's winning the Nuggets game. Yeah! Karen 44! It's about to go off! I really like the Karen 44, if you couldn't tell. Have new score streak now. I guess this will be my first one. Swap. Well, my UAV is going to be the first one now. That's just because it's cheaper. Let's see. Gunsmith. Going to the pistol. Probably, yeah, a new camo for this. I got a new sand camo. I'm getting up there. And Splinter. Tundra. I have a new optical. Yeah, sure. Let's put a holo sight on a pistol. Why not? Doesn't look weird at all. More stuff for a shotgun. Slide flak jacket. Oh, kind of like PhD slider, but the opposite. Cool. And then I got a new gun in general. I'll check that out later. Oh, I already had it. I have a camo for it. A cooler one. That was released last season or a couple seasons ago as an item shop thing. Aw, dragon camo looks so cool though. But this looks cool too. No sand, like, ew. Gross. Let's just stick with dragon, I guess. I don't know.